This video is a complete and updated guide with everything you need to know to travel to Ilhéus in Bahia, making the most of your trip while saving money. Let's get started. Ilhéus is a city full of history, culture, and beautiful beaches. Famous for being the setting of Jorge Amado's novels, it blends coastal charm with literature, cacao, folklore, and colonial architecture. It's a destination that pleases both those looking to relax and those interested in Brazilian heritage. To enjoy Ilhéus properly, we recommend staying at least 4 days. That gives you time to explore the historic center, enjoy the beaches, go on ecological tours, and even do a day trip to places like Itacaré or the Cacao Route. The best time to visit Ilhéus is between August and March when the weather is dry and sunny. From April to July, it rains more, but prices drop significantly. For good weather and lower prices, September through November are ideal. Ilhéus has its own airport, Jorge Amado Airport, with direct flights from many major Brazilian cities. It's located just 3 kilometers from downtown. From the airport, you can take a taxi, Uber, or rent a car. We'll leave the link in the video description and QR code on the screen to the car rental comparison site we always use. It finds the lowest prices from all providers. We've saved more than half compared to booking at the counter. The best area to stay in is Praia do Sul, the most popular beach with good infrastructure, hotels, bars, restaurants, and easy access to the center. You can also stay near the historic center if you want to be close to the cultural attractions. A well-located hotel costs around $60 per night for 2 people. We stayed in one that was very cheap and perfectly located. It was a great stay. We spent less than expected and were within walking distance of the main attractions. We created a custom map that shows exactly the best area to stay. If you stay there, you can't go wrong. The link is in the description and in the QR code. That page also includes everything we use to plan our trips: eSIM, travel insurance with discounts, attraction tickets, hotels we've stayed in, car rentals, and a global account to take money abroad with fewer fees. All links include automatic discounts and are constantly updated. Save and use that page. Top attractions in Ilhéus include the Jorge Amado House, Misael Tavares Mansion, the Cathedral of São Sebastião, and Bar Vesuvio, made famous in Jorge Amado's books. You should also visit the Bataclan, once a cabaret, now a cultural center with a restaurant and live performances. All of these are walkable in the city center. For beach lovers, the best options are Milionarios Beach, with excellent beach bars and restaurants, Praia do Sul, with calm waters and great places to stay, and São Miguel Beach, which is more secluded and surrounded by nature. A must-do activity is the Cacao Route, where you visit traditional farms, learn about the production of cacao and artisanal chocolate, and discover the region's cultural roots. Another great day trip is to Itacaré, just an hour and a half by car, with some of the most beautiful beaches in the region. But don't worry, in the description and QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the website where we always buy all our attraction tickets and tours for the lowest price. It's the biggest tour website in the world and has practically everything: tickets, city tours, boat trips, airport transfers, and more. You can pay in your local currency and avoid extra fees. They also offer excellent free walking tours. That same page includes all the tools we use: virtual SIM cards, half-price travel insurance, car rentals, hotels, and a global account for spending abroad. All links already include automatic discounts and are regularly updated. Save and use that page. Ilhéus also has great food options, from beach bars to full-service restaurants. In the city center, Bataclan is a classic, with meals starting at $25. On the coast, Cabana Palmito is a great seafood restaurant right on the beach. For affordable homemade food, Recanto do Tio Zé is excellent, with meals starting at $7 and great service. Ilhéus is a fantastic destination for couples, families, and solo travelers. The city has solid tourist infrastructure, is safe, and has the charm of a seaside town with rich history. Travel insurance is essential, even for domestic trips. It covers health, baggage, and cancellations. You'll also need mobile data. The easiest and fastest way is to buy a virtual SIM card before your trip. We'll leave the link to the one we always use. You get it by email and install it online on your phone. No need for shipping. The currency in Ilhéus is the Brazilian real, and credit cards are accepted in most places. Still, it's smart to carry some cash for markets and small businesses. And if you're traveling abroad, we recommend using a global account. The link to open one is also in the description. And if you're new here, welcome. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you liked this video, subscribe and like. It really helps us. Thank you, and enjoy your trip to Ilhéus.